So, Dr. Hallberg, what are the metabolic benefits of a ketogenic diet?
Well, the metabolic benefits of a ketogenic diet are actually multiple things. So let's start from the beginning. Metabolic health, exactly what does that mean? Well, really it drives around something called insulin resistance. So insulin resistance is where your body truly becomes resistant to the function of insulin. Insulin has many jobs in our body, one of them being it is our fat storage hormone. But also, when we consume food that contains carbohydrates that turns to glucose in the blood, one of insulin's jobs is to essentially open doors to allow the glucose into cells that surround the blood vessels, therefore keeping blood sugar at a stable level. So when we talk about insulin resistance and insulin can't do that very important job of allowing glucose into cells to keep blood sugar normal, we become resistant to it. Insulin resistance. And so what a ketogenic diet does is it actually decreases what is causing the need for all that insulin. What causes the need? Let's go back to what I just said. And when you consume food that contains carbohydrates, those carbohydrates turn to glucose and need to be pushed into the cells surrounding the vessels where they can be used. So in other words, we're requiring insulin to do that. The more carbohydrates we eat, the more insulin we are requiring. So on a ketogenic diet, we're taking away the driver, creating the need for insulin. Less carbohydrates coming in, less need for insulin, and the longer that we do this, then the more sensitive we can become to insulin. So again, insulin resistance is a big function of metabolic health, and the ketogenic diet directly influences not just a symptom of metabolic health, but the root cause.